Oh, he's getting it now.
Hey everyone, welcome to Heavy Metal Custom. Today, got this cool Jeep. I believe this is a Jeep Kaiser body that I'm going to show you. This is not mine. This belongs to our buddy Hootie Hoo. You get a chance, go over and check out his channel. Tons and tons of cool stuff related to firearms, stuff on the truck, and things like that. I think you'll enjoy it. But I thought y'all get a kick out of this thing, so I wanted to give you the once over and let you check it out. Like I said, she is a big old Jeep. As you can see, I think it's got enough lights on it. You'll see as we walk around, got a cage up in there, got a top seat. Supposedly that's for hunting. Love the little chain steps on it, that's pretty cool. Plenty of lights, plenty of lights. Oh, let's go around front. We have some more lights. Yeah, somebody nabbed the winch off of it, but that would have been cool. I mean, this thing is really sitting on up there too, guys. This is no joke. Powered by a diesel out of a, I think they said that was an H1 Hummer. And no, I'm not crawling up in there. I'm just not that tall. There y'all get a general look at it. Yeah, this thing's pretty cool. It has 5-ton axles in it. Check that out. Yeah, they are no joke. Big suspension, and we have some big old Goodyear Uni-Steel tires on it. 16R20. Yeah, that's a lot of tire. You see, and it does have a radio in it, which is really cool. You can see the little radio on the dash. Got complete gauges, switch panel. Oh, it's good looking bucket seats, at least they're comfortable. And everything that you need to go down the road. That's for the extra cooling. It has a radiator up front. It also has a radiator in the rear with electric fans on it. A little extra, can't beat that. You got your shut off there. And you have your fuel shut off right there. Good safety features on this thing, for that part at least. Now I'm going to take you and show you some footage of earlier in the week when Adam came by. He got this thing fired up and took it for a test drive. Yeah, that went sort of well, ended well, but it went. The thing did run and drive. But check this footage out. I've seen that. Turn it real hard one way. nothing. There we go. Little fluid got that steering going. Did the steering get away from him?
The thing about the hydraulic steering is it don't matter if you pick up the rotation of the motor or not, it's still only going to turn as fast as it wants to.
Yeah, now he's stuck in the middle of the road.
No, it's still turning. I think he's trying to get used to the brakes as well.
Yeah, which thing's been sitting for over a year.
Steering's playing with them anymore.
Take steering with no steering. Probably needs more fluid. Alright, I'm behind Adam in my truck with the full ways on. Just in case some idiot comes flying down through here. Hey, fired up. See if the steering's gonna work now. Need more fluid? Need more fluid. Alright, Adam climbed up in there and said he broke a belt. I'm trying to block traffic so he doesn't get hit. People fly down this road stupidly. So maybe him and Casey could turn the tires enough to get it back over here into the field. Alright. Well, Casey and Adam crawled up in there and put the belt back on. We tried to manually steer it, and that's just not going to happen. So, as soon as Adam gets through yapping, maybe it'll start and steer. Hey, at least it started. Just in case it needs to back up for more turning radius. That's horsepower right there. F-150. Oh, look at him, he's going. He's gonna, oh, I thought he was gonna hit that tree. Well, what do you think it'll do in the 8th?
About 45 seconds.
That's pretty good. Yeah, at least we got...
When I gave it the gas...
Try it through here in the field. That way if you mess up, it's not a mess up. Be okay, as long as he don't run over his own truck. I can't even get up in it. Well, there you have it. The big Jeep, it does go on its own. It motivates down the road, does okay in the field. A couple little things need to be done to it here and there, but nothing super major, expensive, or troublesome. Pretty cool project they got going on here. If y'all want to see more about this, like I say, check out Rudy Hamilton's channel. I believe he's selling this thing, so if someone's interested, you know, contact him and see what's up with it. Be a fun mud toy or what have you. Just a lot of cool going on. Well, guys, appreciate you watching the video. Hope you enjoyed the big Jeep. I know I did. I think it's pretty neat. If you would, throw us down some comments. If you're able, hit us up on the super things. And please, like, share, and subscribe. That's the big one. Get this channel on out there. Let's get everybody subscribed to it. That would mean a lot to me. Again, appreciate you watching. Till the next one, we hope that everyone has a fantastic day.